Jewel is a manufacturer specializing in automated intelligent waste paper conveying, baling, dust removal systems, and solid waste garbage classification, compression, and baling environmental protection equipment. The company was established in Shanghai in 1995, registered the Jewel trademark in 2000, and began construction of its Jiangsu factory in 2004, which was completed and accepted in August 2006. Products are sold globally in over 120 countries and regions, and have served more than 2,000 well-known enterprises with rich experience. Our mission is to provide society with excellent products and services. Jewel has modern standard factory buildings and production equipment, integrating product design, manufacturing, sales, and service into a comprehensive enterprise. The company strictly implements the ISO quality management system to ensure that products and services meet customer needs and expectations, and to standardize operation and maintenance. All employees are managed under a responsibility system, continuously optimizing production quality and efficiency. Through continuous development and a focus on talent cultivation, the company has gradually formed a mature team that is young, high quality, and responsible. We always stand in the customer's position, meeting their needs with high-quality service and complete after-sales support. We not only provide mechanical equipment but also provide customers with comprehensive technical support and maintenance services to ensure smooth production operation. Jewel continuously improves and refines every stage of operation, including design, development, production, sales, and after-sales, to ensure high-quality products and services for our customers.